Good morning, students. Today we will learn about structures in C language. Now, structure is a group of logically related elements of same or different data type. It is a user defined data type. Now let's see how to define a structure. You have to write struct, then keyword student. It is the name of the structure. You can give any user defined name. Then the members of the structure along with the data type, just like int roll number, character name of 10, float fee. After writing all the members, you should close the structure with the semicolon. Now, no memory space is created when you define a structure. Memory space is created when we define objects or variables of structure. Now, what do you mean by objects or variables of structure? For example, whenever you will write student st, it means you have created a variable with name st and which is of data type student. Suppose you had written int a, then a will be an integer type variable. Now st will be an student data type variable. Student is basically data type. Now what are structure members? The elements inside the structure definition. Example, roll number, name and fee. Here are the structure members. Now structure variable. Suppose after creating the structure you have defined a variable like student st, then st is known as structure variable. Next is arrays versus structure. Now what is the similarity between array and structure? First one we will see, both arrays and structures are group of elements. Both contain a group of elements. Difference is, arrays can contain same data type elements only, but structures can contain same or different data type elements. Arrays is a derived data type, but structure is a user defined data type. Third point, array elements are stored in contiguous locations of memory, but structure members may or may not be stored in contiguous memory locations. Next and the last point, array elements are accessed by their index number using subscripts, but structure elements are accessed by their names using dot operator.